Hello from the International Space Station. Welcome to all of you to the ISS Research and Development Conference.
The conference so far is great. The effectiveness is really based on the number of people that show up, and we've had a great turnout. You really have an opportunity to see all aspects of what's going on in space flight and also utilizing the ISS. You see everything from the hardware that's being built to how you get into space and how you really utilize this great national asset.
If you're able to conduct research in microgravity and get a benefit and a value from that, you've just got the leading edge over your competition.
So my challenge to you is to think about the space station, and then the little catchphrase under my chart is more than you can imagine.
Any major, bold, ambitious human endeavor really starts with a dream.
The basic advantage of doing research on the International Space Station is that it's the only place you can do a significant experiment where you take gravity out as a variable.
If you burn something in space like a flame, it acts completely different. So one of the most interesting experiments I did was combusting different gases in space. What we can tell out of it is how combustion works in microgravity that can help us build more efficient rocket engines, and then even take some of that technology to bring it back down to make automobile engines even more efficient. So it helps life on planet Earth.
CASIS pathway really opens up human research on the International Space Station not just for looking at how the effects of space go for humans going to low Earth orbit and beyond, but for some terrestrial applications as well.
CASIS is a terrific addition to the NASA family, the space family, in that they're bringing in people who may not have been a traditional space investigator. They're bringing in additional industries that maybe haven't thought about doing research in space before, but could really benefit from it.
I think we've only hit the tip of the iceberg of what we can do with Station to date, and by using CASIS as the nonprofit to be able to start to expand on that, I think we'll see huge benefits that we can't even at this point imagine what those could be.
So the more we understand the universe, the better life is here on planet Earth, and Space Station will help you get there.